Yeah, girl.
3, 2, 1. Hi, kids. Welcome to Riley and Daddy's Adventure Time. That's right. Today we're gonna play Giggle Wiggle. What are we playing today?
Giggle Wiggles game.
That's right. Giggle Wiggles. Wiggle is a cute caterpillar with hands and feet to spare. Race to place your colored marbles from his bottom row of his hands all the way to the top as he wiggles and spins to the music. He'll try to knock off your marbles if he does. Just pick them up and keep on racing. Alright, so let's get it out of here. That's right. Yeah, for some reason, Giggle Wiggle box, I think it should be a little bit bigger because we've already opened this and played it, and when we put it away, it seems like it just doesn't fit in there very good.
Yeah,
we'll see what we need at the end.
We need a solar game. We need a solar size. What color do you want to be, Daddy?
Well, let's see. We have red, purple, yellow, and blue. So, I'm going to be blue.
I want to be purple.
Let's dump them out here.
Yeah. Purple. Right here. That's the wrong way, Daddy. Purple's going right here.
Okay.
Oh, we should put them right here? So can we some?
Then let's put red in here.
Okay, then. And let's put yellow in here, then.
Sounds good to me.
There we go.
Alright, come on, girl. Get in here.
Just turn them on.
Whoa. Alright, and we're off. I think you have to start at the bottom, bud, but that's okay. Alright. Giggle Wiggles, I got 2. You got 2. Oh. How do you get your hand on there? 2 and 3. One of yours fell off. You better get it. Get it, girl. He's so giggly. And wiggly, too, huh?
That's why they call it Giggle Wiggle.
That's right. Oh, no. I'm going to get to the top. Ooh, take your time. Oh, and it bounced off. Bug, I think you have to go from the bottom and work your way up. There he is. Oh, did it? It almost rolled under the couch. I think it did roll under the couch. Alright. Got it just in time. Woo! Caught it. Caught that one. Got it. Oh, I can't go on top. Oh, gotta work my way up. Oh, yep. Woo! Nice catch. I'm almost at the top. Does that mean I get to go in the surprise can?
Yeah. That counts, okay?
Oh. Woo! I made it all the way up 1 row. You know what that means? Okay, so, since I made it up, we're going to open up a surprise can. Purple. And we'll reach inside. And we'll see what we'll pull out. Oh, wow. How did that fit in there? Woo, cut him open. At the end of the video, we're going to cut this guy open and see what he's made of.
Yeah, if he's made of water or this has water.
Rubber or water? We'll find out at the end of the video.
Yep,
All right.
Wait, where's Top Boy?
Oh no, find out. Okay, we'll put our first surprise right there.
Now I want to be...
Now what color do you want to be this time? Yellow?
Yeah.
Alright.
What
Take off all of our other colors. Or should we leave them on there?
No.
No, let's take them off. Come back over here, bud.
Okay.
Alright.
What color do you want to be?
I'm gonna be red, if you're gonna be yellow. Okay, whenever you're ready, girl. Round 2. Start at the bottom.
1.
Woo! 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 Ah, shucks. Woo! Woo! Come back over here. Woo! Oh, did we lose one? I think we lost one. Woo! Woo! Oh, you lost one. Oh. He's not gonna stop. He just keeps going and going. Oh no! You did! Alright! Let's see what we got here. Oh, that was quick. Next time, we gotta show them.
Look at that.
She picked the pink can.
And I got...
And she got this guy.
Well, we only know what's inside the rake, because last time the rake came out, right?
Yeah, I don't know, but this one might be different. We're gonna cut him open at the end of the video and find out what he's made of.
Yeah, you can cut him
Feels stiffer. His legs feel stiffer.
I just did that.
Oh, you tore him a little bit.
It's okay,
That's okay.
we can cut that rake off then, right?
I guess. Alright. This can up.
Alright.
And I know you can't tell, but we have our sea creatures from last time. all up here, keeping an eye on everything. Okay, good. Try not to lose them, okay? She's really good at losing these little pieces. Alright. So this time, you be purple again and I'll be blue again. Okay, ready? Stay over here. Alright. Woo! Start at the bottom. Woo! I got 2. Alright, kids. I'm gonna beat her this time. You're gonna beat me? Hey! Mine fell off. What the heck? Stinky. I mean, Wiggles. What the heck, Wiggles? Jeez. Can't you let me get my marbles in your hands? Woo! It was one of mine, Bug. I felt it hit my foot. I got it. Alright. Woo! Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh! Okay, slow down. Slow down. Purple? Okay. She's gonna pick the purple. So let's open the lid. Don't look. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Your eyes closed? Close your eyes. Reach in. What'd you get?
Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtles what? What is that? Oh, it's a Ninja Turtles magic towel.
What? Can we do it at the end of the video?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's ask them. They can't see you because you keep going over there.
So can we do this at the end of the video, kids?
Yeah, we're going to do it at the end of the video.
Yeah, we're going to do everything at the end of the video. Right?
Yeah, let's put the can back.
Your turn.
All right. Well, you know what? I think we're getting pretty good at Giggles Wiggles.
I'm going to be red this time.
Okay.
Red.
Buggy's going to be red, and I'm going to be purple. So let me get the purple ones, and you come back over here where you're supposed to be.
Yeah.
All right. Now this time we're going to turn him around. All right, let's go. I tricked you. Yep. Get him on there. Oh. All right. Oh, I got it. Take that one off. Oh, we lost both of ours. Woo! Come on, Wiggles. Yeah. Silly. Woo! I got 2. Woo! I got 3. Woo! I didn't put one of mine on. Woo! That means I have to put one of hers. Oh, I missed. Woo! Let me get those purple marbles on his hands. You won? You're so good at this. All right, let's see. Okay, pink. Okay, come on. Eyes closed. Cat boy! Look at him.
We just got him down.
Cat boy!
We just got him.
He's gonna hang out up here with the rest of them.
That's what I was going to say. He's going to go up there.
All right.
Let's put his hands down.
Okay, let's put his hands down. There we go. All right, well, another round?
Yeah, I just thought we were going to be blue.
You're gonna be blue? Okay. Come on over here, girl. I'll be red. You be blue. Red and blue.
Red and blue on the team. Let's get him like that. Right.
All right. Ready, set, go. Bottom. Oh, keep it getting. Woo! 1 to 1. 2 to 2. 3 to 2. I'm gonna beat the blue. 'Cause that's what daddies do. Woo! We keep losing all the marbles. Don't lose your marbles. Oh, he's laughing at us. He's laughing at us, Bug. This little worm. Stop laughing at me. Stop laughing at us. I'm gonna beat you. You got 4 left. You better hurry up and be quicker. You better be quicker. Daddy's gonna win. Daddy's gonna win. Woo! I won. I won. I won. I won. I won. Woo! Yep. All right. Let's just get them both down.
Yeah. So then what I want to be is purple.
Wait. Patience, young petty one. Patience, young grasshopper.
I don't want to do that one.
Oh, now you want to be pink? Okay, oh, close your eyes. Close your eyes. What do you got? And that one is empty. Let's see what we got. It's like a little car. Squishy. It's a little car squishy. Move your hand so they can see it. It's a little car squishy. Alright, now let's open this. Purple one. See if there's anything else in there. What was it? It was a Mickey magic towel. 2 magic towels today. Alright, let's get ready to set up to do those. Alright, cut all his legs off.
Yeah.
And he can't be a creepy crawly no more.
Yeah.
Now he'll be like a worm or a snake.
Yeah.
Wait, they're still creepy and crawly.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. As per Riley demanded. All the legs are gone. Now off with the head.
Yeah.
He's solid rubber.
He doesn't get anything in the ball.
Oh, and Wiggles lost his marbles. Alright, I think we have one more talent to do, right?
There are only two.
Where's the second one?
Oh, it's over here.
There it is. Alright, get over here.
So I choose the Mickey Mouse one.
Yep, she chooses the Mickey Mouse one.
Mickey over there.
Alright, here we go.
See what's inside.
Let's see what's inside. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold it in there.
There's something in there. Look at it.
Yeah, I see that. Let's show the viewers. Oh, the cut-up centipede is in the water. Okay.
Oh, him. I think it's done.
Nope. I didn't hear you count to 20 yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, let's unfold it. Let's see what we got in this one. Mickey Roadster.
Oh, I can skip it out.
Roadster ready. You want to see it? Come over here, girl. Woo!
That's helping the centipede body, the rest of the centipede body.
Alright, we'll close out our video. Cutting him up. Let's cut him up. Let's cut him up. Alright, kids, for more videos, come over here.
For more videos, make sure you like and subscribe.
That's right. Make sure you like and subscribe to Riley and Daddy's Adventure Time. All kinds of videos to come. Adventures and challenges and sightseeing. Alright, and Lego builds. And hot sauce challenges.
Hot sauce challenges, spicy food challenges.
Spicy food challenges. Okay. Okay, I almost forgot to show you guys how difficult it was to put this game away. So we get a trusty Ziploc for our marbles. That's easy enough.
Yeah. It's like,
And we roll it to get all the air out.
yeah,
And zip it up.
make sure you have a drone playing this game with you, okay?
Then you simply pull them out. Seems simple, right?
Make sure you have a drone to put this away, because it's really difficult to put it in.
And I found best. You put this guy in first. Then you kind of maneuver him in there. You see, it won't close. And it wants to pop out the bottom. So, get the bottom in. He sticks up a little bit. You gotta kind of bend him over. Hopefully you don't break him. And there you go. Tight fit.
Get it, girl.